Welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Interactive crossword puzzle using hot potatoes. We can create interactive crossword puzzle using hot potatoes software. In this video, you will learn how to prepare interactive crossword puzzle using hot potatoes and how to share the same with students. So let us start. In the previous video, you have learned how to install hot potatoes in your computer. So let's click hot potatoes. We can create crossword puzzle using JCross. For that, you can click JCross here, or you can go to potatoes and select JCross from here. But before creating crossword puzzle, let's see the tutorial. Scroll down, click start, the potatoes one by one, click go, JCross, click go. Now here at the bottom an example of JCross crossword puzzle is shown, so let's click. This is how the crossword puzzle will be displayed to the students, and when they click the number, the clues will appear. Across and down. The child will write the answer and press enter. And after finishing the puzzle, the child can check the score by clicking check. Going back. Now let's create one crossword puzzle using JCross. Let the title of this exercise be Capitals of States. After mentioning the title, click Manage Grid, select Automatic Grid Maker. Now enter each word or phrase on a separate line. I will mention the capitals of the states here. Dispur, press enter. Ranchi, Imphal, Jaipur, Gangtok. Now each word or phrase is to be written in a separate line. You can change the grid size. Here the maximum grid size given is of 20. You can increase it or you can decrease it also. I'll keep it as 20 itself. Then click Make the Grid. The words have been automatically arranged in a grid because we have selected Automatic Grid Maker. Now let's add clues to these words. So click Add Clues. Here the words are given across and down. So you are to add clues to them. So let's give clue to first of all Gangtok. So for that select Gangtok and write here Capital of Sikkim. Then select OK. Click next word Dispur. Capital of Assam. Click OK. Then select Jaipur. Capital of Rajasthan. Click OK. Now coming down, select Ranchi. Capital of Jharkhand. Now if you select without clicking OK, now I am selecting next word Imphal, but I am not clicking OK. You see here a dialog box appears. Do you want to save changes to the clue that's currently showing? So you are to press OK after writing every clue. Otherwise it will ask you, would you like to save changes? So I am clicking yes. Imphal, capital of Manipur. Click OK. Once we have given the clue, then click the final OK. Let's save it. For that, go to File, Create Web Page, select standard format. Let the name of the file be capitals of states. It will be saved as HTML file. Click save. Click yes. View the exercise in my browser. Now this is how the layout will be visible to the students, and when the student clicks one, the clue appears capital of Jharkhand. The student will write answer and then press enter. Then select 2, capital of Sikkim. Press enter. Then select 3, capital of Manipur. Enter. Then 4, capital of Assam. Enter. Then 5, capital of Rajasthan. Press enter. Likewise, and after finishing the crossword, the student can check the score likewise. One thing you must remember, managing the grid automatically is the best option. And also before making crossword, you must have the clues and words ready so that you have to simply enter it and the crossword will be automatically generated. Now if I close it, it will ask, would you like to save changes? Click yes. States of capitals. Now this time it will be saved as .jcw file. And if we go to D drive, class 10 science, quiz and assignments. So this capital of states, it is saved as HTML file. You can share this file with the students.